Hello dear students, now I am continuing chapter partial differential equations. Just previous time at the previous class we have already studied about homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. How can we solve homogeneous linear partial differential equation can be solved by using this solution is given by CF plus PI. Now in this class we will study about non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means what? In each term of the equation, there will be different order of partial derivatives. Homogeneous means in each term, the order of partial derivatives are same. But non-homogeneous means maybe first term having second order derivative, second term may be only first order derivative, third term may be only constant value. So this type of expression in d dash are known as non-homogeneous expression. So if we know our differential equation like f d dash z equals to f of xy. This is our partial differential equation. If this f d dash this is homogeneous, then we say this is homogeneous linear partial differential equation. But if this is not homogeneous, means it's every term having different order partial derivatives. Maybe 2 or 3 terms same order, third term other order, and one of the term there is no partial derivative, maybe. But in homogeneous, in each term having same order partial derivative. So now we will study about non-homogeneous f d dash. How can you solve it? If this is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, that means this is not homogeneous. Then solution can be found by z equals to CF plus PI as same, but method of finding CF is different for this. PI same rule as we know. There are some special rule, some general rules. All rules are follows for finding PI for this non-homogeneous partial differential equation. But for finding CF, there is also a different formula. because this is not homogeneous. So this can be factorized in linear factor or may be factorized linear factor or may not be. May be or may not be factorized in linear factor factorized may be factorized, may not be factorized. If may be factorized, then because of this is not homogeneous, so this can be factorized. Factor of this may be like this: d minus m d dash minus c. We can use also here a or alpha. Suppose alpha, we are using alpha. Okay, this type of factor. And also maybe other factor also there, but this type of factor also present in the factorization of this, if we can factorize. Then corresponding to this factor, how can we write part of complementary function? That is main thing here. We will study about this. Just there is simple formula, and other factors, if linear factor are there, then you can use for this part as usual. We know for finding CF. Corresponding to this factor, the part of CF is written as e to the power, note down it, alpha x function of y plus mx. If here minus m, then here plus mx. If here minus alpha, then it will be alpha x. This is the part of CF corresponding to this factor. When we can factorize this non-homogeneous expression as a linear factor, some factor, there will be this type of factor also. If we have factor like this, d plus d dash or b square plus something also, then corresponding to, if this type of linear factor, then corresponding to this factor, how can we get? D means m, d dash means 1, m plus 1 equals to 0, m equals to minus 1, then corresponding part will be what? Phi, as before, phi 1 y plus mx, y minus m equals to minus 1 x, corresponding to this factor. Corresponding to this type of factor, here also one thing is more, minus alpha. So corresponding to this factor, the part of the CF is this. Corresponding to this factor, part of the CF is this. So when we can factorize this part as a linear factor, then corresponding to the factor, we have to write function and then add this, then we can get CF. So this is the method of finding CF. So corresponding to this factor, CF is this. Corresponding to this factor, CF is this. So remember it. This is the formula. Clear? And PI may be found by using any of the rules whichever we know. Clear? And when we cannot factorize this in linear factor, then this method cannot be used. This method is fails for finding CF. We will use any other method. Just we will take some questions where cannot be factorized in linear, add in d and d dash. Then we can see how can we find the CF. For that factor. Okay, so here taking some questions, we can understand better what is the method, what will be the method for solving non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay, so take some first questions. Maybe f dd dash cannot be factorized in as a linear in d and d dash. At that case, we will use other method. Suppose we have questions. First question, solution. Given, solve d square plus 2d d dash d square plus dd dash minus d dash plus 1. No, plus d dash minus 1. Plus d dash minus 1. This is equals to 0. Okay, d square plus dd dash plus d dash minus d z equals to 0. Suppose this is given. We have to solve it. This differential equation can be also written as what is this? Del 2 zy del x square plus what? Del 2 zy del x del y plus what? Del 2 del zy del y minus z equals to 0. This equation is written like this. So if the equation is given in this form, then we have to write like this first. So here this or this may be given. Here implies f d dash z equals to 0. We have to find this solution means CF. Okay. So for finding CF, we have to factorize this. Here d square plus d dash plus d dash minus 1 z equals to 0. We can factorize this. Try to factorize in linear factors. Okay, so here we can see that d square minus 1, suppose d square minus 1, we write like this. Here d dash plus d dash. Okay, write this. Z equals to 0. Now we try to find factorization. So here d square minus 1 means d minus 1, d plus 1. Here common d dash. Then we can write what? D plus 1. Z equals to 0. So we see that what? D plus 1. D plus 1 is taking common. D plus 1. Then get d minus 1 plus d dash. Means d plus d dash minus 1. This is the factorization. Z equals to 0. Now corresponding to this factor CF. Corresponding to this factor CF. So we have to write after this line. So CF corresponding to factor d plus 1, corresponding to factor d plus 1 is what? D plus 1 means what? M plus 1 equals to 0, M equals to minus 1. So function of phi of what? Y minus x, y plus mx is what? Phi 1 y minus x. Clear? And CF corresponding to this factor d plus d dash minus 1 is, how can we write? We know formula. What is the formula? Formula is d minus m d dash minus alpha. If this is factor, then e to the power alpha x, e to the power alpha x function y plus mx. So here m equals to minus m equals to minus 1, so m equals to minus 1, e to the power alpha x minus 1 means alpha, so 1x e to the power x. Here 5, here 5, 2, y plus mx, m means minus 1, y minus x. Okay. Thus, CF is z equals to what? Phi 1 y minus x plus e to the power x, phi 2 y minus x. Clear? So, this is the CF. E to the power x, phi 2 y minus x, and here is no, d plus 1 means use this fact. This is not using this rule here also. Okay. So there is some mistake. Here d plus 1 means d minus 0 d dash plus 1. You have to consider like this. D plus 1 means 1 means minus 1, and in place of m you can suppose 0. So d minus 0 into d dash minus 1. It can be written like this. So factor will be e to the power alpha x means minus 1x minus x, and phi of y plus mx 0, so y. So this is not the answer. This will be the e to the power minus x phi 1 y. Okay. So for non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, we have to use this. Corresponding to this factor, CF is this. E to the power alpha x phi y plus mx. Here, if we have suppose d plus d dash only, then we can suppose d plus 1 into d dash minus 0. This is factor. D plus 1, so d minus 1, d minus m d dash minus alpha. So this can be taken like this. So this is the formula, only this is the formula, not d equals to m and d dash equals to 1. That is not used here for non-homogeneous equation. So first of all we have to factorize, and then corresponding to this is this, and corresponding to this is this. Okay. Therefore here e to the power minus x phi 1 y. Okay, this is answer. Okay, clear? How can we write CF for non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation? This is main formula, factorization, factor, general factor. Okay. Take another questions. may be factorized, may not be factorized. So here take another question. D square minus 2D dash given D square minus 2D dash Z equals to 0. D square minus 2D dash Z equals to 0. D square minus 2D dash D square second degree expression in dd dash. It cannot be factorized. Impossible. D square minus 2D dash cannot be factorized. Cannot be factorized. So, in this case, we cannot use just previous method for finding CF. So, we have to use another method for finding CF. For that, just suppose let since f d d dash cannot be factorized linear, factorized in linear in d and d dash, cannot be factorized linear. Linear in d and d dash. So, in this case, so let other method z equals to constant a e to the power ax plus or hx, suppose hx plus ky be the solution. Then maybe this type of factor also d minus d dash square plus d cube. This type of factor may be there and it cannot be factorized. So we can use this method. Okay. We can suppose this is solution. Then put z equals to here. Here means what? F d dash z equals to 0. Why f d dash equals to what? F d dash equals to what? D square minus 2 d dash. Clear? This means what? Del 2z by del x square. So d square z is what? Del 2z by del x square. That is what? Del by del x square. This a e to the power hx plus ky. We can see here. Thus, this is equals to what? 2 times differentiation with respect to x. So, e to the power this means e to the power this. Coefficient x with respect to x. So, x, h will be appear 2 times. So, a h square e to the power hx plus ky. After differentiation, 2 times differentiate, h will be multiplied 1 time, 2 time. So, and here d dash equals to d dash z. Here d dash z equals to what? Equals to del z by del y. That is del by del y. A e to the power hx plus ky. Then we can get what? Constant a 1 times y. So k e to the power hx plus ky. D dash z equals to. Therefore, question 1. Therefore, or put these values, put d square z and d dash z in 1. In 1 we get this value, this two value, put here we get d square z means this a h square e to the power hx plus ky minus 2 d dash z a k e to the power h x plus ky equals to 0. Just substitute these two value in a given equation. Then here we see that a common a e to the power hx plus ky common and h square minus 2k equals to 0. This is equals to h square minus 2k equals to 0. They are constant. So here k equals to h square by 2. We can write like this. K in terms of h. Because this is not equals to 0, constant. We cannot take this is equals to 0. Then solution will be what? 0. So this is also exponential. E to the power something is cannot be equals to 0. So this is equals to 0. K equals to this. Therefore, final solution will be this. Z equals to a e to the power hx plus, in place of k we can write h square by 2y. Therefore, this is the required solution where a and h are arbitrary constant. Where a and h are arbitrary constants. Okay, so this is the other method when we cannot factorize f d d dash as a linear in d and d dash. So we can suppose this is the solution. Then by finding the value of d square z, d dash z, and putting in the given equation, you can find the value of one constant in terms of another constant. That is, these two h and k are related by some equation, and this type of format will be the CF corresponding to this factor which cannot be factorized. So more general, we can write CF as sum of constant e to the power hx plus ky, where just you have to write h square d square in place of minus 2 d dash k equals to 0. Writing method is very simple. How? Whenever the expression including d and d dash cannot be factorized as a linear in d and d dash, then you can write CF as equals to sum of constant e to the power hx plus ky, where h and k are related by the relation. What will be the relation? You can write from this factor. where ds in place of d you can put h. So ds square minus 2 in place of d dash k. And if there is some constant, then you can write also constant is equals to 0. By this relation, h, k are connected, and we can write this is the CF corresponding to this factor. When this factor cannot be factorized as linear in d and d dash. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Okay, now take another question. D minus 2d dash minus 1. D minus 2d dash minus 1 into d minus 2d dash square. D minus 2d dash square minus 1 z equals to 0. Suppose this is given equation. Then how can we find CF? Right hand side 0. So complete solution is CF. So here factor we see this is our general factor just like this, d minus m d dash minus 1 minus alpha. So it is your alpha x phi of y plus mx. Okay, but this factor cannot be factorized. This factor cannot be factorized. Okay. Clear? This cannot be factorized as linear in d and d dash. So corresponding to this factor CF, how can you write? And corresponding to this factor, we can write CF like this. So here CF corresponding to factor this d minus 2 d dash minus 1 is what? By using this rule, e to the power alpha means 1 x phi 1 y plus mx, y plus m is 2x. This is, and CF corresponding to factor, second factor, d minus 2d dash square minus 1 is, because this cannot be factorized as a linear in d and d. Linear in d and d dash means what? Power 1. So cannot be factorized. So this is equals, how can we write? E to the power hx plus ky, where h and k are related by the relation what? Where h and k are related by the relation what? D means h minus 2, d dash means k square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, we can write like this. Therefore, finally CF is z equals to complete solution CF, okay, is equals to what? This plus this, e to the power x phi 1 y plus 2x plus sum of a e to the power hx plus ky, where h minus 2k square minus 1 equals to 0. You can write h equals to 1 plus 2k square here. So there will be two constant only. Okay. So this is CF. So this is the method of writing CF for non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, where f dt dash, if f dt dash completely can be factorized as a linear in d and d dash, then you can use the general this formula, d minus m d dash minus alpha e to the power alpha x phi of y plus mx corresponding to this factor. Okay, this is the formula. If cannot be factorized in linear d as linear in d and d dash, then we can use this. This cannot be factorized, so here d means h d dash k. This is the relation. This will be the relation, and this will be the CF. This is part of CF. So we can write CF like this. Clear? This was the method of writing CF for non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay. Now PI, the rule of finding PI is same as before. We have already solved many of the questions. Just homogeneous linear partial differential equation PI. So now we will take some questions one by one, and we can get clear idea how can we solve non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Okay. Now take questions. D minus d dash minus 1 given d minus d dash minus 1 d minus d dash minus 2 z equals to d minus d dash minus 1 d minus d dash minus 2 z e to the power 2x minus y e to the power 2x minus y plus e to the power 2x minus y plus x d minus d dash minus 1. So question is simple because already f d dash are factorized in linear factor. We can write CF very easily. This is given equation, so f d dash is equals z equals to e to the power 2x minus here we can write like this, f of xy, where f d dash is equals to d minus d dash minus 1 into d minus d dash minus 2 factorized, and fxy equals to e to the power 2x minus y plus x. This is our equation. Okay. Its complete solution is z equals to CF plus PI. For CF we use star d minus m d dash minus alpha corresponding to factor this CF is equals to the power alpha x phi y plus mx. Yes, this is our formula, the star. Clear? So for CF, use this. Using star, we get CF equals to what? For this factor, we can write by using this formula. Alpha means 1 e to the power x, phi 1, y plus m x, y. Here minus 1, m is 1, so y plus x, plus, if, and second, here e to the power 2x, phi 2, y plus x. This is the CF. By using this, write corresponding to this factor, corresponding to this factor, and add. Clear? So this is CF. Okay. Now we have to find PI, and PI, the method of finding PI is same as homogeneous equation. So PI equals to what? 1 upon f d d dash, f of xy. Now we have to solve it. Clear? So here 1 upon f d d dash e to the power 2x minus y plus x. There are two parts. So we can distribute it. 1 upon f d d dash e to the power 2x minus y plus 1 upon f d d dash x. Clear? So these are the CF. Okay, implies PI equals to, first part, we know formula, basic formula for PI, a special formula e to the power x plus by 1 upon f dd dash equals to 1 upon f ab e to the power x plus by. F ab equals to not 0. We know this formula. F ab, put here a, here b. If this is not equal to not 0, then we can write like this. So here we can use that part. And for this, here x to the power m. So we have to express this as a binomial expression, then operate on x, then we can get result. So 1 by 1. So take this is P1, this is P2. So this is PI1 and plus PI2. Now PI1. Now for finding PI1 equals to PI1 equals to 1 upon f dd dash means this d minus d dash minus 1 d minus d dash minus 2 e to the power 2x minus y. This is P1. Okay. So we know this formula. Here if in place of d put a and in place of d dash put b, then if this is not equal to 0, then you can get result. So here just a means 2, b means minus 1. So here 1 upon d means 2, 2 minus d dash means minus 1. Minus 1, this is first part. Here d means 2, d dash means minus 1, minus 2, this e to the power 2x minus y. Here we get, I think 0 not equal 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 minus 1. Here 2 plus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 1 minus 2. So here 1 upon what? 1 1 cancel 2. 2 2 cancel 1. So 2 e to the power 2x minus y. So answer is e to the power 2x minus y upon 2. This is first part. Clear? 1 1 cancel 2. 2 2 cancel 1. 2 into 1 to 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 this. P1 equals to this. P1 equals to this. And also and Pi2. There will be x. Okay? Clear? So this is Pi 1. We get Pi equals to what? It is equal 2x minus y upon 2 plus now this Pi 2 this with x. Binomially expansion. We have to binomially expand. So we know formula what? 1 plus x power minus 1 equals to 1 minus x power minus 1 equals to expansion. So here we have to expand this. So from first factor taking minus common. From second factor taking minus 2 common. Because here minus 1 common means minus 1, 1 minus, this is minus common, then 1 minus b plus d dash, minus common. So minus 1 plus d minus d dash. Here minus 2 common, then 1 minus d by 2 minus 2 comma 1 minus d by 2 1 minus d by 2 plus d dash by 2. Yes. 1 upon. Because we have to convert as 1 plus 1 minus x, and then we can expand in binomial expansion. So here in front of x. Clear? So here minus minus plus 2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is here. Okay. So 1 minus this, take this to numerator. So 1 minus d minus d dash inverse. 1 minus common, d minus d dash. Similarly here 1 minus common, d by 2 minus d dash by 2 inverse x. Now its expansion half. 1 minus x inverse means 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. So minus minus. So 1 plus x means this, d minus d dash plus and so on. Because we have to write only up to power 1 because x. So one time differentiation it will be constant and another time 0. So higher degree is not necessary. So here also 1 minus minus plus. So 1 plus d by 2 minus d dash by 2, 1 plus x and so on. Clear? No. 1 by 2, 1 plus d minus d dash plus 1. Here apply this on x. So x plus x in front of d, dx 1 del x by del x 1, so 1 by 2. Here d dash del by del y x 0, so 0, and higher order 0. So we get this. Now apply this on this. So first part x plus half. First part x plus half. X plus half in 1. And d of this differentiation. So this is 1 plus 1. D of this 1 plus 0 plus 0. And here d dash means del by del y 0 and higher 0. So this is the term. Okay. So this is equals to 1 by 2 x plus 1, 3 by 2. So this is equals to what? X by 2 plus 3 by 4. So this is pi2. pi2. So x by 2 plus 3 by 4. This is pi. Clear? Hence, the solution is given by, or you can write also like, thus the general solution is what? Z equals to CF plus pi. So CF was what? E to the power x phi 1 y plus x, and e to the power 2x phi 2 y plus x, and pi e to the power 2x minus y upon 2 plus x by 2 plus 3 by 4. So this is our solution. Okay, so you have to find pi and CF both for getting complete solution, complete general solution. Okay, so in these questions they are factorized FDD dash. So CF is very easy, you can write direct by using that formula, and then find pi as usual rule, applying whatever may be the situation, you can solve that pi. Okay, so this was the solution of this question. Okay, now take question d square minus dt dash plus d dash minus 1. Take another question. Given d square minus dd dash, d square minus dd dash, d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 plus d dash minus 1, these are the dash. Okay, dd dash 1 z equals to x square y. D square minus dt dash plus 1 plus d dash minus 1 z equals to x square plus y. So this is another question. Okay, here fdd dash z equals to f xy, where fdd dash is d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1, and fxy is given x square y. So you know x square y means x to the power m y to the power m. So for pi you have to express by binomial expansion fdd dash 1 by fdd dash. So that is for pi. Here CF, for CF, its complete solution, is what? Z equals to CF plus Pi. Clear? Here CF, for CF, here for CF we have to factorize d dash plus d dash minus 1 equals to x square y. We can write it, factorize this. First of all, factorize. Or here we can use this type of notation, f dd dash equals to d square minus dt dash plus d dash minus 1 is equals to d square minus 1 take in 1 plus and d dash plus d. So d a square minus b square, so a minus b plus b, so d minus 1 d plus 1, here take common d dash minus d dash, so d minus 1. So we can take common d minus 1 and get d minus 1 common, so d plus 1 minus d dash, d plus 1 minus d dash. So that is d minus 1 d minus d dash plus 1. That is factor d minus 1 d minus d dash minus 1. So there are linear factors. General method we have to use. So we can, therefore we can write CF direct corresponding to this. Here corresponding to this factor we can write d minus 0 d dash minus 1. This can be written like this. So e to the power alpha x, e to the power 1, e to the power 1, e to the power x, function 1 y plus mx, m0, so y plus second, e to the power alpha minus 1, so minus x, phi 2, m equals to 1, so y plus x. So this is CF. We can write CF like this. Okay, e to the power x, e to the power minus x, phi y plus x, phi y. Clear? This is CF. We can factorize and then corresponding to the part of CF can be written by d minus m d dash minus alpha, that is e to the power alpha x phi y plus mx. So this is CF. Okay, so CF is here e to the power x phi 1 y plus e to the power minus x phi 2 y plus x. This is CF. Okay, now we have to find Pi. Clear? So Pi can be found by using binomial expansion, because format of fxy is x square y, means x to the power m or to the power n. Now Pi equals to 1 upon f d dash, here f xy, that is 1 upon d square minus dt dash plus d dash minus 1 x square y. So here, since we have to convert it in binomial expansion, so we can expand this expression by binomial expansion. How? 1 plus something power minus 1 or 1 minus something power minus 1. So here take common minus 1, then minus and lower part take to the numerator, then minus 1 common, so this is 1, this is minus d dash, this is plus dd dash, this is minus d square. Okay, in reverse order. So minus 1 plus d dash minus dd dash minus d square, we can write it like this, and power minus 1. Here x square 1. Now minus of 1 minus taking common, so d dash minus dd dash plus d square power minus 1 x square y. Clear? 1 minus x power minus 1. So here we see that whenever we operate this on this, then d dash one time, that is x square, and another time if we use, then will be 0. Here d dash y, d dash means one time with respect to y, x is 2x. Then once again we can apply d, but second term 1 plus x square of this, that will be a higher power, so higher value will be 0. So here we have to use only one term, then we can get result 1 plus x d dash minus d dash plus d square plus and so on, higher order. Here x square y. Now apply with minus sign, minus of this, apply this operator on this. So x square y 1, x square y plus d dash means with respect to y, x square minus d dash first with respect to y, x square, and then d, so 2x minus 2x, and d square means with respect to x 2 times, so 2x 2y plus 2y. Okay, so this is the value of CF, x square y plus x square minus 2x plus 2y. This is CF. Okay, hence the required solution is, this is PI. Clear? PI. Then, thus, the required complete solution is what? Z equals to CF plus PI. Z equals to CF plus PI. CF means this, e to the power x, phi 1, y plus e to the power minus x, phi 2, y plus x minus this part. You can write minus of x square y minus of x square plus of 2x minus of 2y. So this is our solution, complete solution of this question. Okay, so CF can be found by using factor corresponding to d minus m d dash minus alpha, we will write alpha x phi y plus mx, and pi, finding the rule of pi as same as homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Okay, So this was the solution of this question. Okay. Now take question d square plus dd dash plus d dash. Here given d square plus dd dash, d square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1. Okay. D square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1. D square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1. Z equals to sin x plus 2y. X plus 2y. This is given equation. Sin x plus 2y. Clear? So we have to find its complete solution. For CF implies f dd dash z equals to f of xy, where f dd dash equals to d square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1. These are the dash. Okay. And d square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1, we can factorize this. Very simple. How? d square minus 1, d square minus 1 plus d dash plus d dash. Here d minus 1, d plus 1 plus d dash common, d plus 1. So we can write d plus 1 common d minus 1 plus d dash. That is, we can write d minus 0 d dash minus minus 1. First part, second part. D plus d minus minus 1 d dash minus 1. This is the factorization as linear in d and d dash. And we have to write d minus m d dash minus alpha. D minus m d dash minus alpha. So this is the factorization. And here fxy equals to fxy equals to what? Sin x plus 2y. Sin x plus by formula. So we can use the formula for sin x plus by as before. Homogeneous equation for linear differential equation. So here factorization is this. So we can write CF as by this e to the power minus x alpha equals to minus 1. This is minus x phi 1 y plus mx, m is 0 y plus e to the power alpha means 1 corresponding to that factor x phi 2 y plus mx, m minus 1, so y minus x. So this is CF. This is CF. Okay. And now PI equals to, we know 1 upon f d dash f of xy. Here 1 upon f d dash equal to this d square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 fxy sin x plus 2y, sin x plus 2y. Okay, we know a formula that 1 upon f of d square dd dash d dash square sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. We can write 1 upon f minus a square minus ab minus b square sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by if this is not equals to 0. If this is not equals to 0. If f of minus a square minus ab minus b square is not equals to 0. Clear? So here, but in every term it is not required that there will present d square d dash square. Here d square d dash d, only d dash. So we can put only here and here a and b in place of d square minus a square in plus dd dash minus ab. So here 1 upon d square means minus a square. Minus a square means a equals to 1 x plus 2y. A equals to 1. So minus 1 square minus a square dd dash minus ab. So minus a into b. 1 into 2. 2. Minus 1 into 2. You can write 1 into 2 plus d dash minus 1. Here only d. So we write d dash sin x plus 2y. Now here you see that solving, after solving, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So 1 upon d dash minus 4 sin x plus 2y. Sin x plus 2y. Clear? Now as usual, you know, in homogeneous partial differential equation just we have to solve it. How can denominator? So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by d dash plus 1. So d dash plus 4 upon d dash minus 4. So d dash plus 4 d dash plus 4. So d dash minus 4 d dash plus 4, that is a minus b. A plus b means a square minus b square, that is d dash square minus 4 square. D dash square minus 4 square and sin x plus 2y. So this is equals to what? D dash plus 4 upon, now we can put also here d dash square means minus b square. So minus, in place of this, minus b square minus 2 square minus 4 square. If not 0, then you can put sin x plus 2y. So this is equals to what? Minus 16 minus 4 minus 20. So minus 1 upon 20 and d dash plus 4 sin x plus 2y. Now operate this on this. So d dash of this, that means del of this by del y with respect to y. So sin, derivative of sin is cos x plus 2y into 2. So minus 1 by 20 into 2 cos of x plus 2y plus 4 into sin x plus 2y. So here minus 2 common, so minus 1 by 10 cos x plus 2y plus 2 sin x plus 2y. So this is Pi. Clear? So Pi is what? This is CF, this is Pi. So solution is what? CF plus Pi. Clear? Thus our solution is general solution can be written as z equals to e to the power CF phi 1 y plus e to the power x phi 2 y minus x minus of 1 by 10 cos x plus 2y x plus 2y plus 2 sin x plus 2y. So this is our final solution. Okay. So this type of method can be used for finding general solution of non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Non-homogeneous for CF you have to factorize. If we can factorize as a linear in d and d dash, just like this, then you can use d minus m d dash minus alpha formula and we can write CF directly. If it cannot be factorized, then we use a to the power hx plus ky method, and Pi is same as homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Okay. Now it's the time for questions for your attendance. So first question is solve r minus s plus p equals to 1. R minus s plus p equals to 1. Clear? R minus s plus p equals to 1. Second question. Solve d square plus 2 d dash plus 2 d dash plus d dash square minus 2d dash z equals to sin x plus 2y. Sin x plus 2y. Clear? This. Third question. Solve. Third question is d square minus dd dash minus 2d. d square minus dd dash minus 2d z equals to sin 3x plus 4y minus e to the power 2x plus y. Okay, and also solve for d minus 3d dash minus 2, d minus 3d dash minus 2 square z equals to it is 2 e to the power 2x, 2 e to the power 2x 10y plus 3x, 10y plus 3x. Clear? You have to solve these 4 questions and also one more question, 5 question, that is question 5. Solve r plus 2s plus t, r plus 2s plus t plus 2p plus 2q plus 2p plus 2q plus z equals to 0. Okay, these 5 questions you have to solve. Okay, now I will give hint one by one, so see carefully. Okay, this question can be solved how? R means what? Del 2 z by del x square minus del 2 z by del x del y plus del z by del x equals to 1. This means this, we know. That is what? D square minus dd dash plus p d d d d square del 2 z by del x square d square minus del 2 z by del x del y. Okay, plus del z p means del z by del x. So this z equals to 1. So this is f dd dash. F dd dash. F dd dash can be factorized because d common, d minus d dash plus 1. So this is f d minus m d dash minus alpha. D minus only d, 1 by d, integration. Or you can write for this d minus 0 d, d minus 0 d dash minus 0. So use general formula d minus m d dash minus alpha, d minus 0 d minus 0, d minus 1 d minus minus 1. You can find what? CF. And 1 upon 1 by d, 1 upon this. Binomially expand this and apply on this, you can get the result. Clear? So this was the hint for question first. Now for question second, it can be also solved very simple. You have to first factorize it. You have to first factorize because what is this? D square plus 2 dd dash plus d square means what? D plus d dash square. This is means. And minus here, minus 2 common, d plus d dash. So d plus d dash square, d plus d dash common, then you can get factorization. So you can write CF. And after getting factorization, for this you can apply, you can direct apply here 1 upon f dd dash sin x plus by. d square means minus a square. dd dash means minus ab. d dash square means minus b square. And then it can be solved. Here d minus d dash. You can multiply numerator and denominator by this combination. Clear? Denominator and numerator. And then in the denominator you have to again put minus a square minus b square. And you can get the term in numerator and then apply on sign. You can differentiate. Get the pi. Okay. So, hint for this question. Here, simple. D can be taken common. Then d minus d dash minus 2. Already factorized. You can write CF. And for pi, just break into two parts. You do your x plus by formula. If ab equal to not 0, then you can use it for this. And for this, you have to use here minus a square minus ab. Then you can get factor d plus something. So multiply in numerator and denominator. You can get factorization and numerator can be vanish with respect to d and d dash, and there will be no d dash in denominator, and only in numerator you can apply on sign. Okay, so you can get pi, and CF plus pi will be the solution. Now here for this question, this is very simple questions. For this question, main thing is here square. So there is one formula when this type of factorization m d dash minus alpha is repeating. This is repeated roots, repeated. One time, two times, three times, four times. Then how can you write CF? This is new. So here CF will be 2 times. So e to the power alpha x 1 time, phi 1 y plus mx plus, because repeating. So x e to the power alpha x phi 2 y plus mx, x power 1, repeating. So corresponding to this square, this will be the CF. If suppose there are 3, then again x square e to the power alpha x phi 3 y plus mx. If 3. Now this is the formula for writing repeating roots. This is repeating factor, square. So you have to write up to here, where alpha minus 2 m3. You can write CF. Now for pi, square 1 by this, factor is this, e to the power 2x 10 y plus 3x. So there is a formula, remember it, 1 upon f d dash e to the power ax plus by into b, any function of x and y, is equals to what? E to the power axy taken outside and 1 upon f, in place of d we have to write d plus a, and in place of d dash we have to write d plus b and b, function of xy, base function of any function of x. Then this is a rule for pi finding rule for homogeneous linear partial differential equation, and also this type of formula just you have seen everywhere. So where e to the power x plus by outside, and in place of d plus a, d dash b. So here you can use this formula, 2 constant outside, e to the power 2x plus 0 y, a 2 b 0. So can be taken outside. So this is the factor. So 2 e to the power 2x outside. So 1 upon d in place of d plus a means 2 minus 3 d dash plus b means 0. So d dash minus 2 square. Or here b means 10 y plus 3x. Now 2 cancel. So factor will be d plus d minus 3 d dash square. Clear? So factor will be what? D minus 3 d dash square. Now for function we have formula 1 upon bd minus ad dash power n function of ax plus by is equals to what? If this is equals to 0, because here if we put a in place of d, ab minus ab 0 factor. For that here we see that d means 1, d means 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. In this case the formula is what? X to the power n upon n factorial into b to the power n as it is function x plus by. So you can apply this formula here. So result will be e to the power 2x, x to the power 2, n means 2 upon 2 factorial into b means 1 to the power 2 function as it is 10y plus 3x. So this is solution Pi. Clear? So use this formula for finding this result. Now last question is what? Very simple question. You have to find only CF. So just write what? R means d square plus s means 2dd dash plus t means d dash square plus 2p means 2d plus 2 q means 2d dash plus 1 z equals to 0. So here this is f dd dash. Just you have to try to factorize it. This is equals to what? D square by 2 dd dash plus d dash square means d plus d dash square plus here 2 common d plus d dash plus 1. Just you have to try to factorization and then you can write Cn. That will be the complete solution. Okay, so solve these questions and reply me as a PDF file for your attendance. Okay.